Today we are going to make crepes. This is one of my personal favorites. You can either make it sweet or savory. Today I decided to make it sweet with peanut butter and a banana filling. So for the crepe, we'll first use flour, 1 cup. Add a pinch of salt, around a tablespoon of sugar, 2 eggs. Mix it lightly. Add 1 cup of milk and stir gently. If you need, add vanilla. I'm a big fan of pure vanilla extract because I think it heightens the flavor. At the end, I'm putting 2 tablespoons of melted butter to give that little smoothness to the crepe. Mix the batter until there are no lumps. As you can see, there are no lumps left. Ideally, rest it for 30 minutes. If not like me, make it straight ahead. So once the batter is rested for 30 minutes, I take a 1/4 cup batter, spoon it to the middle of the pan. Gently swirl the pan. So in around 30 seconds, the crepe is ready to be flipped over. This is the ideal perfect color of the crepe. For today's filling, I have chosen a peanut butter and a banana filling. The good thing about crepe, I told you, is you can use savory or a sweet filling. You can use a white sauce and a mushroom filling or a chicken filling. But today I have decided to use peanut butter. So to add that, just dab some peanut butter onto the crepe. Add some sliced banana. And just roll it. You can make different fillings of your choice with Nutella, banana, or coconut and sugar with a little cardamom powder. Just use your creativity and you'll get it right.